We don't typically ponder the elegance of bugs, especially the annoying ones. But scientists and engineers have come to realize they are actually mechanical marvels. Nothing we humans have ever built even comes close. In fact, a growing field of engineering called biomimetics is making breakthroughs by mimicking biology. For example, studying the eyes of flies led to the development of advanced optical sensors. The physics of dragonfly wings allowed increased efficiency of wind turbines. Cockroach mechanics paved the way for increased agility in robots. A honeybee algorithm helped to optimize the internet. And the tiny plant hopper is helping scientists to maximize the strength and rotation of gears.
What? Gears? In a bug? That one got my attention. I thought humans invented gears.
Those perfectly precise, interconnected drivers that have transformed machinery for centuries. Well, it turns out that biology is far ahead of our engineering. The plant hopper launches like a rocket and can jump more than 100 times its body length. That's like an Olympic long jumper hurtling across not one, but 2 football fields. Using special cameras, scientists at Cambridge University discovered that the plant hopper coordinates the motion of its legs with these incredibly precise gears. Making long leaps accurately requires that the legs be in perfect sync. If one leg flexed even a fraction of a millisecond before the other, the insect would lose power and tumble erratically. As one leg begins to move, the interacting gears start the other leg too. With the teeth engaged, the gears spin at a whopping 50,000 teeth per second, and the bug is propelled with maximum power and coordination. As science learns more about the structures of living organisms, we seem to be finding limitless examples of mechanisms that are both precise and purposeful, both remarkably configured and beautifully functional. So what accounts for the stark purposiveness of the machinery of life?
Now that is fascinating. Did you see he mentioned biomimetics? Think about it. We are literally studying the machinery of bugs so we can implement their technology into our own technology. But bugs evolved from mindless, purposeless matter, right? What Michael Behe is showing us is design, intelligent design. We can't agree more with the work he and others are doing in this field. Bye now. Me and Little Apologist will see you next time.